Good morning, everybody. Today is November 6th, and this is the Nifty analysis on spot. So, Nifty got many alternate views, in fact. So, which is from the lowest correction of coronavirus. Here it is ended. This is where market ended. So, from here, if you take, so this will be the first wave, and this is the second wave. So, now the question is, where are we? Here in the Elliott wave system, we do have two probabilities. Like one is where with these five waves in the red color I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where you can label this as black in 3. If such is the case, the minimum correction would be 38% if you can take. So it is coming around 15,650, or in minimum the minimum if you take 0.236, that is coming around 16,789. So later you can check out with many probabilities like trend line, support and everything. So this is where we got main support, which is 17,354 or 360 something around. And now whether this one is 3 in black, or after having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and this can be a 1 in blue also, one wave is completed. If that is happened, correction would be very deep. So one point, now we came to conclusion that now we are in correction. So let us closely observe what happening in the correction. So this correction it is not in a 5 wave. Usually correction in a ABC zigzag 5, 3, 5. This is not that kind of structure. This is like just like a 3 wave. Say if a 3 wave correction is there, we can expect a double correction like this. So again a question rises, whether this 3 wave correction is ended or directly it will fall from here like this. So for that we cannot give any guarantee. But as a thumb rule of Elliott wave, at least after 3 wave correction, you can expect minimum 38% or 50% retracement, where or 61.8%, maximum to maximum 786, because 0.786 retracement is a very important level. Once it is crossed, even after this 3 wave correction, if it is crossed and sustained, market can go up. So here 18,380 level is the very much important level. Market must close above this level. Until and unless the market does not close above this level, we will be having in correction mode only. So now the market can react like this also. So which is 18,190 or 200 the resistance. After that, if you can take 100% retracement, where it is coming? 17,150. So market can fall if it is black in blue. What is our ratio? Sorry, black in 3. What is our ratio? Minimum expecting. That is also coming with a huge correction. Like even for 0.236, 16,781 or 16,800 levels correction is actually we can see, and technically we can see using Fibonacci ratio. If this is a 3 in black, no, this is another wave of one in blue. The correction could be very deep. So now the structure is, it's a 3 wave zigzag where you can expect another leg down from here also to here, or directly if it comes here, again it will take a bump, then again it will fall. So anyway, with this view, one can have a firm conclusion that the correction is not over and we are going into a deeper correction. So until, even this prediction also can be wrong, but as a waiver, Elliott wave follower, the minimum respectable level for the invalidation is this one, 18,380. The market has to sustain about this level with a strong candle, and when it overcomes this latest high, then we can at least think that the market is trending. Else, as per now, every higher high is a sell for the minimum target of 17,348 initially. After this also, if the structure is like this only, even now it is coming in a 3-wave move. So again, the correction can go like this. If a heavy correction is happened, we must think we are now in one in blue, or the market is reacted very well and going up, then we can take as 3 in black. So for this, to eliminate this confusion, we have to wait and watch. There is no other way. So formally, we are in a very deeper correction, which we can understand with this technical analysis using Elliott wave. Thank you very much.